So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering Chronicles of Plant Design. So we'll continue with the Chronicle number 3, Basics of AutoCAD 2D and part 3. So in the last video we have seen line and then we have seen circle, we have seen arc, and we have stopped at the DS setting. So before we go to DS setting, we will see more commands of what is present over here, and then we'll move on to the DS setting. So here if you click on the rectangle, on the small arrow which is shown over here, we have two options, rectangle and polygon. So first we will go with the rectangle. Either you click rectangle directly from here, or you give command REC and space or enter rectangle. See, REC. So it says rectangle, a lot of options over there. So we can click rectangle directly from here, or REC enter. Rectangle has open. So now rectangle has open. So what it says, specify first corner point or chamfer elevation fillet thickness width. That is, we'll see later what is chamfer fillet. Okay, we have option over here also, but initially what we will do, we will specify the first corner of rectangle. Let my rectangle first corner be this point. Okay, so what it says, specify other corner point or area dimension rotation. See, I can drag rectangle directly, I can close from here, I can drag here, I can take this point. Okay, I can, if I click this point, the rectangle will close. Otherwise, what I'll do is I'll give REC space my first point. So next is I can give dimension. We will not go to area first. We'll go to dimension. So what is dimension? So I'll select D space, or I can directly click from here also. So I'll give D and I will give space. So what it says, specify length of rectangle. So length of rectangle I want to specify as 400 mm. Specify width of rectangle. So width I'll let me see if that's 300 mm. So enter. So what, see, my first point is here now. So my rectangle either will be here like this, like this, like this, or like this. You can rotate the rectangle wherever you want. So I want to place it this way. So if I click now, so it will stay here. If I click here, it will stay here. If I click here, it will stay in this position. So you can select the position of rectangle based on your first point. Okay. So your anti-clockwise, clockwise does not work. So don't confuse why it is not rotating this way and that way. So here only it will, if because on the first point it will go to different location as required, as and when required. Okay. So I'll close here. So we have seen rectangle with the dimension. Let me go again, rectangle, give space. Okay, specify first point. Now it came to, we'll go to area. Let me give area, enter. So what it says, enter area of rectangle in current units. Let me say my area of rectangle is around 1000 square millimeter. 1000 square. So 10,000 square millimeter. Okay, or 100,000 square millimeter. 100,000 square millimeter. I give space. So what it says, calculate rectangle dimension based on length, width. Okay, so you can either specify length or you can specify width, because area we have already specified, but AutoCAD will not give you rectangle of that particular area. So what it will do is, it will take, you have to give either length or you have to give width. So the other part it will automatically calculate, and if you will give the rectangle. So if, for example, if I want to keep as length, I click length. So I'll specify length as 400 mm. 400 mm. I give enter. So see, now I have rectangle which is here. I'll show you what is the move command later. So I move the circle, rectangle over here. So if I click the measurement, okay, if I click the measurement, what we have specified length as 400 mm. So depending upon the area, the required length is 250 mm. So if you multiply 400 by 250, it will become 100,000 square millimeter. Okay. So next, let us go to polygon. You can click polygon directly from here, or you can select pole, POL, or you can click here, or you give enter. So polygon. Now we have got polygon. So whenever you specify polygon, if rectangle, square, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, whatever sides you want to define, because all are polygon only, right? Even triangle is a polygon. So, but it is saying more than 4. So let us draw pentagon, which is 5 side. So let me give the enter number of sides as 5 and enter. So what is the next option? Specify center of the polygon. I have drawn this circle already. Let me take this as center of the polygon. So next option is inscribe in circle, subscribe outside circle. If I click inscribe, I can click here, or I can click here, or I can give I and enter. Okay, all options are possible. If I give inscribe in circle, if I select this point of circle, so this polygon will be inside our circle. So again I'll take polygon, again I'll take circle. Okay, again I will define the number of sides, 5 pentagon. I'll select center of the circle and subscribe outside circle. So if I click this point now, so what it will go? It will go outside the circle. Okay. The other option of giving this pentagon is I'll give polygon, enter, number of side. Let me take hexagon now, enter, center of the polygon, enter. So inscribe inside circle. Instead of clicking on inscribe inside circle, instead of clicking on the circle, I'll give measurement of 150 mm. I enter. So automatically radius will be 150 mm. It will take. If I give 150 outscribe, again I will do polygon, enter, number of sides 6, enter, center point, enter, circumcised outside circle, clicked, specify the radius 150 mm, enter. So now it will come outside the circle. This is about polygon and rectangle. So let us now quickly go with the move command. What is move command? For example, this is circle, and you want to move the circle to here in the AutoCAD model space. So the option is called move, M, enter, or we have option directly. I'm not able to see, but okay, we have there's an option in here also. But we'll quickly go with M, enter, select the object. You can select multiple object. You can select multiple object. Or if now, for example, you have selected multiple object and you want to you want to deselect that object. So press shift and select. So this is descope now. This is remove from selection. Okay. Again, I have selected this. I've selected this. I've selected hexagon. But I want to remove only hexagon. So I will select shift and I will click on hexagon. This will be removed. Shift, click, removed. Shift, click, remove. So enter. Now move command I've taken. I have selected the object. I'll give space or enter. Now this circle I want to move 100 mm on the left side. So what it says, specify base point. So base point means what is the base point from which we will move the circle. From quadrant this point or this point or this point. Let me take center of the circle. I'll click here. I'll give displacement of 500 mm. Enter. Sorry. This circle has moved from here to here 500 mm. Okay. That is a move command. So this is all about part 3 of AutoCAD. Stay tuned. So I'll update with the more videos. Thank you.